Check it, check, mic, check. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, troops, wherever you are in the world, and welcome back to the channel. Mark, that's me, my words, where we follow trading, travelling, and training. As always, before I do get into this quick live stream, don't forget to hit that subscribe button down there. And if you do enjoy the content, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Here we are, troops. I'm just trying to get organised. Been a while since I've done a live stream, so I'm trying to remember where everything is. There we go, there's a chatterbox, a little bit smaller. We've got the chatterbox there. And we're live, the 22nd of August 2022, as we start to enter the new trading week. Here we go. We are about 35 minutes away from the market open, and things are looking spicy already, troops. What can I say? Look at this. Red, red, red. Everywhere you look, pretty much red. Where are we on AMC? Currently down 40%. 40% in pre-market. Why? What's going on, you say? Don't worry. Uncle Marco is going to address that in just a while. GME down 7.13% on extremely low volume. BBBY also quite low volume. Down another 16.5% on the close last week. So there you go. Brutal. However, let's have a look at this. Let's put this into some sort of context, shall we? Why, I hear you say, Mark, is everything so bloody down at the moment? Well, if we go, let's have a look. Go here. Let's have a look at AMC first. So today, obviously, everybody knows that it is the release of APE today, the special preferred dividend that everybody is going to get. It's already showing in my broker account where I hold my AMC, by the way. That's eToro in the UK. It is showing in there. So there's been some people who have not got my shares yet, blah, blah, blah. They're in mine. That's about all I can say. Anyway, look at this piece that's come out today from CNBC on MSN. AMC shares tank more than 30% as Regal Cinemas owner warns of potential bankruptcy. That came out today, troops. Why weren't they saying that on Friday? Why weren't they mentioning AMC on Friday? Look at this. Same supplier, same outlet. Cineworld shares plummet more than 60% on bankruptcy reports. Not a word about AMC in there. Not a single word. And then all of a sudden, oh, actually there is a little bit. Shares of other US theatre companies, AMC and C&K, were both down around 5%. Okay, 5%. So they're linking Cineworld shares plummeting 60% on Friday with a 5% drop in AMC. Not buying that myself. But then if you go back here, they're saying that AMC has dropped 30% because Regal Cinemas owner warns of potential bankruptcy. Well, actually, no. We all know why it's down, troops, don't we? We all know it's because there's going to be a price split between APE and AMC. And eventually they should balance themselves out to get us back to where we have been trading on Friday, which is around about $18. So far, there's no price available for APE. That is not showing up yet anywhere. So we just got to wait and see, troops, I'm afraid. Let's see where we get to. And, yeah, all to play for. GME down, again, 7.5%, roughly, there or thereabouts. BBBY down 15.14%, just slowly making its way back up. We are about 31 minutes away from the market open. Let's see what happens. So what do you know, troops? Anybody there? Say hello. Greybeard72, they needed the optics of the ticker. Exactly, my friend. Welcome to the show. Thanks for joining. Thanks for saying hello. Thanks for your comment. I really do appreciate the engagement. And there you go. You've said it. You've summed it up in one sentence. They needed the optics of the ticker. Of course they did. They couldn't just put that hit piece out last week. They need all these things to come together to make a juicy story, to make it look like AMC is about to tank on everybody and we're all going to lose our livelihoods. Get out, retail, they shout. It's over, they shout. You're still talking about it on the news, though, aren't you? If it was over, hey, it would be over a long time ago. This is not over. by a long way, troops. Let me tell you that. So what are we looking forward to this week? Whoa, more volatility. I do like the volatility, but oh my word, it's not for the faint-hearted, that's for sure. If you are new to the meme stocks, welcome on board. If you have been here, you're one of the old and bold. You remember the battle of 180, 160 in GME. You remember the battle of 801, 1450 in AMC. Welcome. It's great to see that you're still hanging around. I've been in these tickers since early last year. I got into it. Actually, I was reading about GME with a mate of mine when it went up to $400 and something dollars. And I was chatting to a mate of mine in London and I was like, blimey, have you seen this GME? I didn't get into it until it dropped back down to $40 because I thought it was all over. And then when it dropped to $40 and it didn't keep dropping, I started reading all the due diligence online. And some good stuff out there, some good research out there amongst about all these tickers actually, and I took it from there, troops, and that is how I have ended up with some coin in some skin in the game, shall we say? So that's it. That's my story, and I'm still here. I was live streaming quite a lot last year, but as things kind of petered out after the run up to 72. It was a little bit more, what are we doing here? We're just talking about watching the ticker minute by minute. I have my charts on the 5-minute time frame there. I do prefer it. I'm not a minute by minute watcher. But it's not all about me, troops. If you want to see something in particular, then do feel free to let me know. If you want the chart set up a certain way, I've got AMC here top left, GME top right, BBBY bottom right, and then APE, which again, we're just waiting to see how that sets off in the bottom left. So let's see what we get today. Personally, I'm excited. I'm really excited to see, especially what happens with APE. I've got a cup of tea. I've got a bottle of water. I've got a few viewers, and I'm ready to go. Happy days. Let the fun begin. We are about 28 minutes away from open, troops. So what shall we do? What do you want to do? Let's talk about your journeys. So if you are watching, how long have you been in? How long have you been hodling for? I don't need to know your price. I don't need to know what position you've got. That is absolutely up to you. But I am interested to understand what the breakdown of people is here. Let's get this article back up and go through this article, shall we? And see what it's saying. Let's see. Move that across there. Move the chatterbox over there. There we go. And let's have a look at this. AMC was down more than 30% in pre-market trading, building on a loss of more than 26% last week. Okay, last week. The drop comes as rival Cineworld said on Monday it's considering filing bankruptcy. It also said that on Friday. There you go. Old news, CNBC. We want news, not history. A new preferred share dividend from AMC could also be impacting. Could also be. It definitely is. The CEO himself said it would have an impact on the price. So I don't know why you're saying could also be. Why don't you just say AMC CEO said this would impact the price? They are the facts. That is a fact. Shares of theatre trade and meme trader favourite AMC fell sharply on Monday as the struggles of a rival company appeared to weigh on the stock. No, not at all. AMC was down more than 30% in pre-market trading, building on a loss of more than 26% last week. The drop comes as rival Cineworld said on Monday it's considering filing for bankruptcy. Cineworld said on Friday it was considering filing for bankruptcy, and also the AMC price, by your own admission, was only trading 5% lower in the mid-morning trade. So, you can't have it both ways, CNBC, can you? After Cineworld released a warning about its liquidity position last week, AMC CEO Adam Aron said in a statement that we remain confident about AMC's future and that the company was quite optimistic about movies coming in the fourth quarter and in 2023. Even as 2022 has seen big movie hits like Top Gun Maverick, and studio executives have signalled an interest in pivoting back to theatres instead of streaming-only releases, the US box office remains well below its pre-pandemic levels. But that's because it takes time to wean people off the streaming. Streaming only went up because of COVID, and if anybody tries to overcomplicate it beyond that, please educate me, because the only reason streaming went up is because more people were sat at home during lockdowns. Simple as that. And that takes time to recover. As you know, it takes time for people to go back out and do what they were doing before. Sure, there'll be those people that never go to the cinema again, but there'll be those people that are pining for it and can't wait to get back there. And, there's still some uncertainty. Don't forget, this winter is going to be a very interesting winter in terms of COVID, because the narrative and the fear isn't there around the disease anymore. Certainly not what I'm seeing in my social circle and everyday life anyway. There seems to be a general acceptance that COVID's here, people are going to have to live with it. It is what it is. You do your own thing, you choose if you want to get vaccinated, blah, blah, blah. But there is still that little bit of skepticism, a little bit of hesitancy about what life is going to look like this winter. Are governments going to start trying to introduce restrictions again? Are we going to be told we can't go here, can't go there, don't kiss grandma, you might kill her, and all that shizzle? So, of course, things aren't back to pre-pandemic levels. There's other industries that aren't back to pre-pandemic levels. That's just the way it is. Anyway, AMC reported more than $5 billion in long-term debt at the end of the second quarter. The total climbs to more than $10 billion when including lease obligations and other long-term liabilities. A new preferred share dividend from AMC could also be impacting trading. The theatre chain's APE units, a tool for the company to potentially raise additional cash in the future, are slated to begin trading on Monday. Just waiting for that, troops, to appear on the old Webull platform there. Obviously nothing in yet. The new share class resembles a stock split in some ways. Remember, with the APE seeing its first trade on the New York Stock Exchange at some time tomorrow morning, the value of your AMC investment will be the combination of your AMC shares and your new APE units. An AMC share plus a new APE unit added together. There you go then. So, what the... Like, they admit it themselves here. It's just ridiculous what they're doing. How they're, angling this. They know. They've quoted Adam Aaron as saying, your two holdings together will become the sum of your investment. So, at the moment, it's trading, pre-market, was it $11.23? So, if it's gonna open at where it closed on Friday, that would need to open. APE would need to open just under $7, and then you net neutral, So let's see. There's talk of it being 50-50. Is it going to be 50-50? I don't know. Be nice if it was, because then we're up. We are in the green. But anyway, let's see. It's all speculation, troops, and that's all this is. All these articles, nonsense. It's just pure speculation, so I don't really take too much notice of it here. Sure, they're going to say what they're going to say, and if you've been here long enough, you know that these pieces are put together for a reason. Anyway, here we are back in pre-market. Let's have a quick look, see what's going on. AMC starting to move. GME starting to move. BBBY still down that 16.5%. Very, very interesting times, troops. Very interesting times indeed. Anyway, we're going to be here from market open for about the first hour of trading. Unless it gets really, really spicy, then we will stay on, of course. Bring you everything you need to know as events unfold. I'm really interested to see when the APE ticker comes online. Good old chai. I love a cup of tea. Being British is what we do best. I'm going to clear these support and resistance levels off now, troops, because they're a little bit pointless. Clean the charts up now. There we go. Get rid of all those old trend lines because we don't need those anymore. That's for sure. So we're going to be opening around here. Still nothing showing on APE. Still nothing showing on APE. I wonder if it's on Trading View. Let me have a look. Probably not. Put Trading View on. Nope, no data on trading view yet, neither. It is what it is. Greetings, Josh. Hello there, hello there. Welcome back. How are you guys doing? Let me just unhide myself here. How do I do that? If I just put that back up there. There we go, I'm back. Hey! 11.23 in pre-market. When the market opens, will the price half? No, I think this is already taking it into consideration. my friend, to be honest. But let's see. It's all nobody really knows at the moment. But what I would expect is that the cost of AMC and APE 1 and 1 combined will be equal to, the closing price on Friday. Pretty much. That's what my indication is anyway. That's what my thinking is on it. And certainly everybody that I've been reading and listening to seem to think it will be the same thing. Whether it's an equal 50-50 split, I don't know. Whether, this $11, 18 plus $7 on APE will equal the $18 60-40 split. Don't really know, to be honest. Nobody really knows. So it's just a matter of time, really. We've got to wait. We've got to wait for this APE to open, and I think that's what everybody's waiting for, isn't it? Today, I mean, the BBBY, the GME stuff, whatever goes on there, I think it's a bit secondary today to what's going on with AMC and APE. I'm not sure we're over, mate. Don't quote me on that. It might not be a 50-50 split. I did say earlier in the stream that in the Discord that it would be nice if it was, because that would mean that we're opening $4 up on where we closed on Friday. I don't think it'll quite work out like that. But again, I don't really know. Nobody really does. We've got to wait and see what these APE shares open at. But I've got mine. Mine are in my brokerage. I'm interested to hear if other people have got theirs. So, H, if you've got yours, let me know. I'll call you H. It's easier than saying hello there. Josh, if you're still there, mate, if you've got yours, let me know. And let's see. I've got my AMC APE shares already, so I'm quite happy with that. They've turned up. And let's see where the market takes us today. But absolutely, I mean, it's brutal. Look at the SPY. The SPY is down. I'll put the SPY down here, actually. The SPY is down. Again, look, massive gap down this morning. Currently down 1.18%. Oh, it's a rough one, troops, that's for sure. But all we can do is ride it out, isn't it? That's it. That's all we can do. You're with Free Trader and you haven't had yours yet, H. Oof. I mean, I've seen other people saying that their brokerages have said that they will appear at some time during the trading morning. So whether once they go live on the stock exchange, you will get them then, or you'll get them before, or they're waiting for something to happen, distribution or whatever. I mean, mine appeared in. I've got two accounts. My eToro ones, they appeared yesterday. So I was quite surprised by that. But anyway, here we are. We are 7 minutes away from the open, and not far. We're going to find out very, very soon what the day has got in store for us. So I'm going to be here for about the first hour of trading just to see how things open. If it does get spicy, I will be staying on. So do stay on with me. If you haven't done so already, hit the like button. It does help me grow the channel. And I'd appreciate it. Only takes a couple of seconds. Still got all my AMC, so not worried. Yeah, mate, neither am I, actually. Fundamentally, nothing's changed for us. Nothing. This is a corporate strategy. This splitting out into APE. So let's see. It doesn't really affect the fundamentals of what AMC means to some people, which for me is a an opportunity to make some good money. We've seen it run up to 72. I've not seen anything that's changed fundamentally that would stop it doing that again. We just got to wait and see. It's a patience game, and we've been here for a long time already, haven't we? Josh, you're in Free Trade as well. Have you got yours, mate? That's interesting. My brother's on Revolut. I wonder if he's had his. I'm not sure. I should message him. He's got some in Revolut. Anyway, the FUD campaign. It's all up and running. The hit pieces are out. The AMC's dropped 30-40% in pre-market. Absolutely ridiculous, but predictable. And it's quite sad, actually. It's quite sad, troops, that people are, you know, because there's new people in this play that probably haven't had the time to read everything and understand everything. And they'll have bought in thinking this is it's a good play. And the price drops like this and they see those news things coming up, and it's a bit like, but those of us that have been here, it's almost like you see those news pieces and you're just like, yeah, whatever. It's like a year and a half ago, even I would have been like, oh man, what's going on? I don't understand. But now it's just like, oh, right, okay, there we go. That wasn't predictable at all, was it? Well, actually, it was. And we knew it was coming. So anyway, here we are, about 4 minutes away from the open. So... Oh, H is moving to trading 212. You pay $10 a month on Free Trader. On free trades. H. Is that right? Anyway, we're getting ready. We're nearly there, troops. It's nearly upon us. The moment of truth. What's going to happen? I expect a frantic push down at the open. I think they're really going to hammer AMC at the open. Either that or there's going to be a mad scurry for buying the shares. Let's see. Let's see what happens. About 2.5 minutes to go, troops. 2.5 minutes. Let's have a little bit of H2O. Oh, it's a stocks and shares ISA. I see. Here we go, troops. It's nearly upon us. We've got 2 minutes. 2 minutes to market open. I'm so excited. Like, the anticipation is like nothing I felt for a long time on this this little journey. BBBY getting a little bit of a push back up now, back over 950. I'm really, really interested when APE is going to appear. Like, is it going to be at the bell? Is it going to be 5 minutes after? Are they waiting to see what the price of AMC does and then introduce it later on? Have they already got them? It's just all of these questions that that we don't know. There's no clarity. You got New York Stock Exchange saying it will start, or Adam Aaron saying it will start trading at some point in the morning. Well, it's the stock exchange, the stock market. Why does nobody know exactly what time it's going to be on there? I just don't get it at all. There's people who's managing it. It's like a circus, really. Oh, we don't know. Yeah, we've got this new, there's new stocks come on the stock market all the time. Do they not just go on at 9:30 when the market opens? Have they not been? They've known this was coming. I just don't get it. Anyway, we are about 30 seconds away from the market open. So let's get ready. What is going to happen when that bell rings? I cannot wait. I know there's a slight delay on the stream, guys. I'm sorry about that. I don't know how to make it real time, but I think it's something to do with YouTube, how it's all set up there. And anyway, we're open. We are open. Let's have a look. Let's see what happens here then. I'm expecting a push down, a big push down on AMC. Let's see. Let's hope I'm wrong. Let's hope that I am wrong. We're off and we're trading. Pretty stagnant at the moment. These are 5-minute candles, by the way. I'll tell you what we'll do. For the first 10 minutes or so, we'll switch to 1 minute so we can see what's going on. We'll have a better indication of who's doing what. Still nothing on APE. BBBY just about to touch $10. GME looking at 34, just under $35. And AMC currently holding that $11, 20, 30 area. Let's see. I am expecting a big push down on AMC. Here we go. Is this it? Holding that $11 area. AMC holding that $11. Big push back up. GME running away with it a little bit. Still down on the day, but trying to recover. The same with BBBY. AMC holding that $11 area, just over $11. So now we want to see APE. Now we want to see that APE coming in and seeing what it's going to open at. Let AMC get established. APE, 730, halt. So there you go. That's your $18 right there. It's opened at, there you see, look, on here, $7.30 on a halt. Let me put BBBY back on. That was down there. I'll get a set back up, don't worry. So we're here. 1 minute. We're on a halt. $7.30. Opened at $6.93. So we're at $18. $18.30. So if you put that to where we were on Friday, we're just about where we closed on Friday. So that's halted. So that's going to be at least 5 minutes. BBBY getting pushed down. AMC now getting pushed down. Back under $11. But we are there or thereabouts where we closed on Friday, troops. The two tickers combined is there or thereabouts where we closed on Friday. I'll tell you what I'm going to do. I'm going to switch to 2 and I'm going to put us on here like this. So APE is currently halted at 7.30. AMC at 10.80. And we closed at 18.02. So if you add the two together, 82 and 7.30, that is pretty much where we closed, give or take a few cents. This is a battle. Look, they're trying their best to push it down. So APE is up and running. Have you got your APE shares? They should be showing in your brokerage accounts by now, I'm sure. H, have you got yours? Keep an eye on your account, mate. Welcome, viewers. Live trading for the first hour, unless we get really spicy, and I'll be staying on. APE currently halted at 9:32. So 9:37, I expect that to reopen. A 5 minute pause. Let's see. Let's see. I'll keep an eye on GameStop and Bed Bath and Beyond as well on the side charts there. But these are the two that we're interested in. Still nothing there, H. Here goes AMC up to 11.20. Reclaim that 11 plus area very nicely. APE still halted. 9:37, I expect that to come back online. Halted at 9:32. Usually a 5 minute pause. Let me get the trading halts page up, and then we can see exactly why we've got a trading halt under which code it is. Where are we today? Not even showing up. Not even showing up. Not yet, anyway. Still got all AMC. Yeah, you'll still have all your AMC, H. They won't change. You'll still have the same amount that you had on Friday. But you should have the same amount in APE as well. I'm expecting us to come off the halt anytime soon. So if these prices maintain, we would actually be slightly green on where we were on Friday for AMC. Because remember, you've got to add the two prices together. GME's just broke $35 on the up. BBBY hovering around that $10 area. Still on a halt for APE. Still on a halt. AMC really pushing up now. 11.30, back up to that 11.30 area. These are 1 minute candles, by the way. I've got it on the 1 minute chart just to see what happens in these first early stages. Then we'll flick over to the 5 minute. So if these stay the same, APE, 8.57. Oh my gosh, look at that. 8.57 on APE. That's opened at 8.57 plus 11.17, 8.59. Halted again. Halted. Wow. Wow. That's almost $20. That's almost $20. So we are up on where we finished on Friday. We are up at that current level. 1802 is where we finished on Friday, and with those two combined, it's almost $20. We are almost 10% up on where we finished on Friday, if not more. Some volume on AMC, 24 million already. What's the volume been on APE? Less than 1 million. Okay. Halted at 9:38, so we're gonna open around 9:30, 9:38 halted. So we're going to open around 9:43. So in around 3 minutes time, 3.5 minutes time. BBBY now back over $10. Clovis, my baby Clovis. Down 3.3%. I'm coming back for you one day. Don't worry about that. AMC now battling around this area. You can see here, touch, here, battling around this 11:20 mark. I'm going to mark that as an area of interest. Here we go. Big push on AMC on the 1 minute candle. Big push, 11:50. Topping out at 11:50 there. $11.60. We are really pushing on AMC. Really pushing. Volume absolutely flying in. 26 million. Average free monthly volume is 47, and we're 10 minutes in, and we've got almost, well, over half of the average free monthly volume. 1170, high of the day. 1170. 1175, waiting for this APE to reopen. Halted at 9:38, should reopen at 9:43. So around about 3 minutes to go. PRTY. No, I'm not, Josh. I'm having a party, but I'm not in party. What is it, mate? Do you want me to have a look at the chart? To see what's going on. Oh, AMC's halted as well. There you go. AMC halted. APE halted. 2 halts. Come on, halts all over the place. Let me change my title on me my dashboard. Hang on a sec. So we've got halts. Both are halted now. Really interested to see what comes of this. Really interested. Because we have got AMC halted. We've got APE halted at 9:38. We've got AMC halted at 9:40. So 9:38 to 9:43. I'm expecting APE to reopen in the next 60 seconds or so. BBBY back up over $10, mid $10 now. GME rising as well, 35.41 on GME. The SPY not looking great for the SPY, down 1.38%. $5.76. Just try buying some AMC. Order was rejected twice. Probably is it because it? Did you try putting it in during the halt, Josh? Maybe that's why. Let's see. Expecting APE to reopen any minute now. Any minute now. AMC halted. Why that was halted, I have no idea. AMC. APE. Oh, limit up, limit down, pause. Oh! APE has opened. It's at 9:22. 9:22. Halted again. Halted to the upside. 9:22. Another halt. AMC halted at 11.80. So if we put those together, that's $21.56. $21.56 is the current price of your former AMC holdings. If we put the two together, it's around $21.56, something like that. Yeah, that's right, H. Mate, you should give your brokerage a call and say, where's my APE shares? There's 1.46 million traded according to Webull, and it's at $9.22. It opened at $6.93. Man, this is some action. This is what we expected today. Volatility on these two tickers. Let's see. Let's see how we get on, troops. So 9:40 was the AMC halt. Expecting it to reopen any minute now. Oh, APE. AMC. AMC is 11. Oh no, I've got excited there. What have I done there? APE. Get on there, you. Don't mind me, troops. Got a bit carried away. Expecting it to reopen any second now, though. 5-minute pause. 5-minute pause. Limit up, limit down, halt. I thought APE had reopened at $11 something. How's about that then? So just waiting for AMC to reopen. There goes AMC, $12. Opens at 12, reopens at 12. Pushing, really pushing now. AMC, $12. Oh, we're getting hammered here. Back down she goes. Look at this. Up and down, up and down. There we go. There we go. 12, 23, 12. Wow, 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 wow. Pushing almost 30 million volume on AMC. 12 coming, approaching 1250. Is she going to do it? 1250. There we go. Little touch. Wow. $30 million volume just broken on AMC. APE halted again. Halted at 9:43, expecting that to open at 9:46 plus a few seconds. Let's see. Let's see where we get to. AMC is at 12.72. Halted. AMC halted again. Whoa, quelle surprise. Quelle surprise, ladies and gentlemen. In French, that means what a surprise. I think it does anyway. I don't speak French. But I'm just guessing. Halted and halted. This could be all day. I'm expecting APE to reopen any minute now. It was halted at 9:43. Any second now. 9:48. We've got. It's a 5-minute halt. Let's see. But we are currently trading at Friday's price at over $22. So we will be up over 20% on the closing price from Friday. Is this the effect that people were expecting? Is this what people were expecting? Here we go. 9:22. It was at 10:47, look. That annoys me. Come on, update. There we go. 9:79. Can't keep up. Weeble can't keep up. The volatility is there, troops. Halted again at 9:50. This is a theme for the day. It looks like this is the theme for the day on AMC and APE. Meanwhile, GME is just on the cusp of going green. 35. Let's get on while it's halted. GME, nice on GME. Nice. 35.93, almost just about a half a dollar short of where it was. BBBY, let's have a look there. 1064, nice push on BBBY, making its way back up, slowly coming back into the green against the closing price of 1103 on Friday. So let's add this up. 12 and 9 is 21, 22.32 is the current price on your AMC. 22.32, because that's two, you add those two together and you will get your old price. 2 halts, consecutive halts we're going. Where are we? When did we halt? 9:47, so 9:52. APE halted at 9:49, so 9:54. Wow, we are not even 20 minutes in, troops. We've only been going 20 minutes. We've had 4 halts already. Unbelievable. This is what tell you what though, it's exciting, isn't it? This is what makes the day interesting. This annoys me though. I never saw 10.49. You know, it's already $1 down before it's even registered on the system. What I can tell you is that APE is not trading on eToro. It's still showing as 0.01 cent. Nothing trading. Amazing. Let's wait for these halts to clear then. 54 and 52. So we are just about coming into the release of AMC. This should be unhalted imminently. It went on at 9:47. It's a 5-minute halt for those that are new to this. It's automatic as well. If you're new to this and you're wondering why it stops, it's because the price fluctuation is within a certain parameter and within a certain price within a certain time parameter. So it automatically triggers a halt. But that AMC should be off of halt any minute now. It is a 5-minute pause. There we go. Now down at 1280. It's reopened 1270, 1273. You can see that trade in there. All the way opened at 1304. That's going to be halted again. Halted again. As soon as it opened, it's halted. Oh my gosh. So the next one, which is going to be in about a minute or so, is APE is going to reopen. So let's see what APE reopened. That's done that again, look. 1304. Never saw 1304. Never saw it. Never registered. Terrible. Shocking. Oh, this is exciting. Oh, this is exciting. Welcome one, welcome all to the biggest casino in the world. The New York Stock Exchange, the American stock market. So we should be just a few seconds away from APE opening up again. But at current prices, that's $22.83. 50, no, it'd be 184. Here we go. We're off the halt. We're off halt on APE. Where are we at? Over $9. 950 area. Here we go. We're stagnant. We're stagnant at $9.46, not halted. AMC still halted at 12.35, time 9.53. So 9.58, that will come back on. 9.58, AMC will come back on. 9.05, so a bit of a drop there from 10.49, the high of the day on APE. This is just Webull. Webull can't keep up because look at the bid and the ask. 9.33, 9.20 on the ask. You only got 9.05 on the price. Josh, are you able to sell anything on free trade? Does it give you the option? Have you got the current price on APE on your free trade? AMC back open, $12. So if you put the two together, we're still up $20.80 something, which is nearly 20% up on where we closed on Friday. Yeah, probably no option to sell AMC, Josh, because of the whole. You're right there, but also I've got no option to trade APE. None at all. And it's halted again at 870. This is an absolute shit show, troops. An absolute shit show. BBBY now green on the day. AMC fighting around that $12 area. So another halt on APE, a high of 1050, currently trading halted at 870 at 957. So 10:02, I'd expect that to reopen. 10:02 plus a few seconds. Excuse me. But yeah, this is not a good look for some brokerages. Not at all. Not good. So anytime now, APE will start trading again. Any second now. And let's see if this continues, troops. It's 30 minutes into the trading day, and I've lost count of how many halts there's been. AMC fighting at that 12:30 area, 12:50 look, becoming a bit of a battleground on the 1 minute chart. We can start to see that playing out. If we put it on the 5 minute chart, where are we? Yeah, you see, 12:50 is becoming the battleground. APE has reopened at $9.18. $9.18, that's going to halt again straight away. This is fascinating. Weeble just can't keep up. Can't keep up with the price action. Look at the bid and the ask. And the price here, 902, that's not moved. $9.20, there we go, moving. $12.50 becoming a resistance area. BBBY 3% green, just over. GME just under 3% red, $1.08 down on the day. We're looking at the broader market, accept that. Not too bothered. So this is now $22, troops. $22 plus. That's over 20% up on where we closed on Friday. Halted again. APE is halted again. Halted at 9.74 at 10.05. I've lost count. Don't know. I don't know how many there's been. Craziness. I'm going to be here for the next 25 minutes or so, that's for sure. I'm going to put the kettle on. I need coffee. Kettle's on, troops. What are we doing? Look at that. BBBY goes from nearly 4% up to nearly 2% down. What's been going on there then? Yep. Big red candles. Woohoo! There we go. Unbelievable. Because everybody's selling BBBY, aren't they? Oh yeah. Everyone's selling. Anyway, APE halted at 10.05. So 10.10, give or take a few seconds. We expect that to resume trading. And let's see beyond that. You wanted action, I'll give you action. Unbelievable, man. Well, let's put that together. 21, 22, over $22. Over $22. Wow, Bed Bath & Beyond getting hammered. Down to 1060 from 1150 in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 minutes. Unbelievable. Nearly $1. GME. Yep, same. Same kind of sell-off pattern. But overall on the day, making a comeback. We've got about 1 minute to go on the APE halt. About 1 more minute. Halted at 10.05. Should resume 10.10 plus a few seconds, depending on the exact time when it stopped trading. Any sign yet, H, of your APE? I can't trade it. I can't trade it on anything. $12.50 definitely becoming an area of resistance for AMC. You see quite clearly there. 10.10. Any minute now. APE will continue trading. $10. We're going to open at $10 here, I think. We're off the halt. Bid and ask. $10. Yep, it opened over $10, look. $10.12. It doesn't register that though, does it? Pisses me off. That's nearly $22.50, troops. We finished at $18 on Friday. Wow, BBBY 5% down on the day, getting pushed right down. Let me check the kettle. Here we go. 10.26 on APE. Halted again. Not yet. Weeble literally can't keep up. What we're doing on BBBY. Hammered. 11.50 down to 10.35, look. Unbelievable. Around about $10 on APE. 12 on AMC. $22, troops. Just over $22. That's your value for your AMC today, so far. This is fascinating. Absolutely fascinating to see. There's people that haven't got their shares. There's people like me that can't trade their shares. I mean, what is going on in the world? Volume on AMC in the first 45 minutes has exceeded the 3-monthly daily volume. So the first 45 minutes of trading has been more shares, 2 million more shares traded than there is average 3 months. Yep, you've got to keep doing that, H. Keep on their back, mate. Don't let them off the hook. Have you tried refreshing your account? I'm just trying to think, mate, what you could do just to see. APE halted again. Halted again at 10.14. So that's halted again. Hey, Indy. How are you doing, mate? It's good to see you here. Very interesting indeed. You know, you're not wrong. I've lost count already, Indy, of how many halts there's been. Unbelievable, man. I'm here for about the next 15 minutes. But it's great to see you back here, buddy. Thanks for dropping by. I really appreciate it. It's been fascinating to watch so far. And it's, I think this is the theme for the day. I mean, look at the overall market. Yeah, the overall market is red. Okay, there's a few plays that are green. Okay, but nothing of significance. All the gold star stocks, if you like, the premium stocks are all red. The SPY's red. So, when I look at GME and when I look at Bed Bath and Beyond and that, let's take AMC and APE as a separate entity for today because of what's going on. But overall, the market is the market is fucked. So I'm not too bothered about the others, GameStop and all that. It is what it is. They're not infallible to the market conditions. They're not immune from price drops. It is what it is. So there you go. But with APE and AMC, actually, if you put them together, you're $21.50. So you're up from where you were on Friday. That's all I can say. Indy, got all my APE shares across 3 platforms. Not able to trade options on AMC. Can you trade your APE, Indy? That's what I'm interested to know. Can you trade your APE? And here comes the sell-off on AMC by the looks of it. Trying to push it down, look. If there's anybody that can trade APE, let me know. And what platform you're on. Because all I can see at the moment is people have got theirs, but they can't trade them, or people just haven't got them at all. I've not found anybody yet. I've not read anything anywhere yet that people can trade them. So let's see. AMC getting pushed down here, look, from that high of 1304. Hey, Auntie's in. Hello, brother. How are you? You've joined just at the right time. I'm logging off in 10 minutes. You can sell and buy APE. Interesting. Interesting. Not options. Yeah, there's no options available on APE, from what I understand. Auntie's the APE guy. Auntie, I think I was right. Yeah, there's no options trading on APE. It's only buy or sell, and that depends on which brokerage you're with, because some people can't even sell. It's just an absolute shit show, really. It's terrible. It's absolutely terrible that you can't trade. Really. Like, these brokerages have known this is coming. They've known it's coming. Anyway, we should be trading again on APE any minute now, any second now. We've had our 5-minute pause. We're just waiting for that to resume trading, and let's see where we go. Back over $9 by the looks of it. Yep. $9.22 is the current ask. Let's see where we get to. We're off and running again. Will AMC go in parallel with APE? Oh, there we go. I think my APE has just become available. Nope. So APE is open again at 9.25. AMC holding that mid 11 area. Mid 11 area for AMC. BBBY making a little push back up. But we are at almost $21 on your AMC. Your old AMC is currently around $21 in value, just under $21. Add the price of AMC to the price of APE and you will get your old AMC price. So 180, 360, just under 20% up on where we closed on Friday, actually. Closed at 1803, something like that. And just under $21. I'll put the 5 minute on now. A.E. Vanson, welcome to the channel. Thanks for joining us. Weeble says it will trigger GFV if sell. GFV. What does that mean, dude? I've seen loads of different things from different people today. Like, it's all over the place. It's all over the shop. What does GFV mean on Weeble? I don't trade on Weeble. I can't because I'm not in America. But I'm interested to understand what it means. AMC slowly being walked back down by the looks of it. Ah, good faith violation. So what does that mean then? They expect you to leave, they expect you not to sell it? Or what? SPY continuing to drop today. Oof. Taking a lot of victims with it by the looks of it. APE halted again. 10.25. Right, troops. I'm gonna watch this last halt, see what happens when it opens again, and then I'm gonna knock it on the head for this first hour. Thanks for joining me. I really do appreciate you all dropping by to say hello. It's been great. It's been great to be back in the chair, I must admit. And I will be back for Power Hour. So keep an eye out for that. Set your alert, set your notification. And yeah, join me later for Power Hour. Indy's just asked, what are your thoughts on whether AMC will fill the gap down? Don't you mean on the daily? I mean, it would be huge, won't it? I don't know, Indy, to be honest. Usually, yes, gaps usually fill, but this isn't. This is a gap related to something that I've not seen before. You know, so will this go up and this go down to compensate? I couldn't tell you, mate, to be honest. It's my first experience of this trading, so I have no idea what to say other than I don't know. And I'm not going to pretend I know. So yeah, we'll just see, mate. We'll just have to see, won't we? Gaps generally fill, but gaps associated with a I mean, technically it's a split, isn't it? If he sells some and whatnot. So we'll just have to see. But I'll be back for Power Hour. I'm going to watch this APE resume, see what it reopens at, and then I'm going to thin out, get some stuff done, and be back on later. But it looks like the theme is set for the day. Things are getting, really pushed down today, selling off all over the place. Everything. Look at that, man. Red, 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 red. Good faith violation. Cheers, buddy. So does that mean you get penalised if you sell then, or what does that mean? What will Weeble do? Hello to you as well, mate. Appreciate you dropping by, really do. It's great to have supporters here. It's not the easiest thing to do, to sit in a chair looking at charts talking to yourself. So I appreciate everybody and anybody that drops by and says hello and interacts a little bit. That's what it's all about. A little bit fun, a little bit conversation. Let's see if we can work out what's going on. Anyway, this APE should be resuming trading in around about a minute's time, plus or minus a few seconds. And let's see where we open again. Imagine if it opened at like $25. Something like that. Woohoo, we're off. The thing is, if people can't trade it, like some people can't trade it, that is potentially a lot of volume that's not passing through. Because I don't think they can... There's no options available, so they can't write contracts and blah, blah, blah. So 1150, 1250 is the range that I'm seeing on AMC at this early stage of the day. Let's see if we stay in that channel today. Be interesting. APE is off, 866. We'll resume trading there. So I'm interested to see if that pushes back up. But anyway, troops, that's it. First hour of trading done. Looks like the market's settling down now. Like I said, I will be back for Power Hour. It would be great if you could join me. If not, I appreciate everybody's got busy lives. I will try and stream a little bit more as we move forward, like I was doing last year. So that's it. Wherever you are in the world, as always, Do take care of yourselves and each other. I hope to see you back here for Power Hour. That's it. Cheers, troops.